5 seconds. Fucking. Oh, I still have aggro. What the fuck?
I taunted it. Welcome.
Resist. XD. And then I crit when it's at like 1%. Sick game.
Rogue opened on me. It's fucking Payo. Nice T, bro, you fucking shitter.
Yeah, now the warrior's killing me.
Wow. You're dead, Payo, seriously. Fucking retard. Nice T when I'm at 2k health, fucking retard.
Dude, he's shit at PvP or PvE. He knows it.
Oh my god, Temp is fucking in the group with him.
Yeah, I told you.
Grats, you killed a PvE gear rogue with 2k health left.
Oh my god, it's so bad. This is so sweet.
We're in this south now.